So we start tonight's show with some vocab to know. First of all, an ion. It's an atom or a molecule with a net electric charge due to the loss or gain of one or more of its electrons. A cation. It's a type of ion that has a positive charge.
And then we have an anion, which is an ion with a negative charge. And then we have LCM, which stands for least common multiple. And it's the lowest number both ions have in common. Alright, so what is an ionic compound? An ionic compound is exactly what it sounds like. More than one ion, a metal and a nonmetal, being pushed together to create a compound.
So what are the laws of the ionic compound, you might ask? Well, law number 1. An ionic compound will always have a metal and a nonmetal, in that order. Law number 2. The positive charge always comes first.
Law number 3. When writing the compound, never write the charge. Law number 4. When an ion can have more than one charge, it may be followed by a Roman numeral. For example, lead 3, iron 2, and tin 4.
Law number 5. The charges of the positive ion and then negative ion will always cancel out. So we'll get to this one later. Alright, so let's do some simple examples.
Example number 1. On the periodic table, hydrogen is a cation. The name is H+. Fluoride is an anion, and the name is F-. Note, there is only one plus and one minus. This means no least common multiple is needed to be found for the charges to cancel out. Therefore, the ionic compound is HF.
Example 2. Sodium is a cation, and the name is Na+. Chloride is an anion, and the name is Cl-. Since there's only one positive charge and one negative charge, no LCM is needed, and the two ions can be pushed together to form the ionic compound of NaCl. Example 3. Hang on. So wait, what happens if the ion has a +2 charge and the other one has a -1?
That's a good question, Kitty. Well, the answer is simple. Find the LCM. Let's take zinc and chloride, for example. Zinc has a 2+ charge, and chloride has a minus charge. In order to write this compound, you will need to find the LCM of 1 and 2. In this situation, it happens to be an easy 2. So what does that mean? Well, it means that you'll need 1 zinc and 2 chloride to write the compound. So, for the compound zinc chloride, you'll have Zn2+ and 2 Cl-. By putting these together, you would get the compound ZnCl2. Well, Kitty, do you have anything more to add?
Nope, I do believe that that's all you need to know about ions.